sake, I need to top up some oil.
Oh no.
Yeah, I've got some oil leak. BMWs don't leak oil.
This seems like a serious issue, dude. You need to fix this.
Okay, we are all set. Let's get this video started. Here's how you can unlock the hidden features in your phone. Oh, what the So if you didn't know, your BMW has so many hidden features that you could unlock that you can't normally access just by using your own like default settings or anything. Let's go ahead and let me show you what you can code into your car and what features you can get with it and how you can do it. Okay, so this video is by no means sponsored by any of whatever I mention here, but if anyone that owns any of these companies is watching and wants to sponsor me, I would gladly accept it. You can hit me up. Anyways, so for this to work, you need this OBD2 Bluetooth adapter. I will link it down below. It's not that expensive, it's quite cheap. What you need to do is you need to come over, open this. I'm sorry that my car is super dirty. I know I'm filthy. But you need to put this inside this, and trust me, your car definitely has this OBD port. This port has been on cars since like 1980s, and you just need to find it. Let's get to coding. So let's get to coding. Okay, so there's a few things that you need to do here. First of all, don't put your foot on the brake. Key is inside the car. Press your ignition. Once all the lights, all the Christmas lights come on, you need to pull down your windows because you will die of heat if you don't. Put on your seatbelt because safety. No, I'm kidding. Because if you don't put your seatbelt on, after a few minutes your car is gonna shut down. But if you have your seatbelt on, your battery is gonna stay alive. You need to open BimmerCode on your phone. You can download it and buy the license. You need to open up BimmerCode on your phone and you need to connect. So this device that I have is the Unicar Scan UCSI 2000. Check if Bluetooth is turned on. You need to turn on your Bluetooth. It will take a while, so be patient. This whole process is not something you can do in a few minutes. Choose your car's model. So mine is a BMW 3 Series. You press OK, continue. Reading vehicle order. You just need to wait for a couple of minutes. You can fast forward this, Sherry, make it sound like I'm talking, but I'm not. This is very good. This is very important. Wow. God, why is it taking so long? Wow. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Don't be a part of the 94%. Always try to be within the small fraction of people. You know, always try to be outliers in life and in subscribing to my channel. So now that this is done, you can see a lot of things that you can put into your car. So I'm gonna go through them with you one by one. Advanced crash safety module. What the hell is advanced crash safety module? We're gonna figure it out. Wow, this is crazy. This is so not boring. So, okay, these are the good stuff. Active seatbelt reminder for driver, seatbelt reminder for passenger seat. So it's not active for me right now, but my girlfriend always forgets to wear her seatbelt, so we're gonna activate that. Seatbelt indicator, seatbelt, yes.
It's just on by one click.
Yes, I'm gonna activate those because my girlfriend always forgets
I'm gonna
to
learn how to turn it off.
by watching this video. But I don't need it for rear seats because I barely have passengers. Seatbelt reminder duration. Okay, so if you have a BMW, you know that this thing is so annoying. It keeps on going and going. Sometimes I'm just sitting in the parking lot or I'm just moving for 1 second and this thing is beeping for as long as I want to smash it. 20 seconds reminder duration, because if any more than that, I'm consciously deciding not to wear my seatbelt. 20 seconds is, I think, good enough. Seatbelt reminder distance. This is all good. This is all good. Initial seatbelt reminder, no. So you're gonna code that in. Gotta wait again, blah blah blah, writing code. Okay, does anything happen here? Yes, we have a seatbelt reminder here. So from now on, if she doesn't wear her seatbelt, I'm gonna know.
No, you don't, because I'm gonna turn it off.
No, you can't turn it off. Okay, air conditioning.
Can you make it colder?
Yes.
Because
Nothing special here. Auto mode, setting memory, circulation memory. Don't need to include this. Combox. What the combox? Okay, COM. Combox. Hey, new idea for a product. It's just a ringtone, guys, okay? Just your default ringtone.
can you hear?
No, you can't hear it. That's the problem. If you need to code something, you need to. Electronic transmission control is sports automatic transmission. So you want faster gear shifts, I would say sports automatic transmission, because some cars do not come with that stock. So air conditioning is just for your auto and a lot of those. Combox is big for your ringtone. Yeah, so for your ringtone. Electronic transmission control is for your sports transmission, to enable or disable your sports transmission. Front electronic module, that's interesting, because there's a lot of things that goes into your front electronic module, and we're gonna see that right now. Again, fast forward, blah 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 blah. Okay, we are in. That took like a good 2 minutes. Ambient lighting brightness 100%. Ambient lighting brightness decoupling from instrument cluster, not active. I would very much like it to be coupled. Angel eyes brightness low beam.
What is it?
So apparently you can turn up and down the brightness of your angel eyes when they are in parking lights or they're in low beam.
Increase it.
Shut off iDrive system with drawer is open. No, I would very much like to keep that in non-active. Auto stop start function off by default. Yes, because this thing is annoying. So if your car is stock, the chances are that every time you start the car, your auto stop start, chances are your auto stop start is always active whenever you turn on the car, and whenever you come to a stop, the car turns off, and whenever you go start from a start, the car turns back on, which can be annoying for me. So I always like to activate this. So auto stop memory function not active. Auto start stop function in Eco Pro mode active. If for some reason I want to drive in Eco Pro mode, this will turn on and then I can save some fuel. Brake force display type flashing. I'm not sure about the area enlargement option, but the flashing is whenever you're emergency braking, tail lights, your brake lights, they're gonna flash instead of just turning on. I'm sure you've seen like some track footage or stuff like that where people pump their brakes really hard and the brake lights flash. So this is how you can adjust that. Brake force display activation speed. So basically, from what speed would you like to activate that? The force, medium braking. You can have it for weak braking, you can have it for medium, and you can have it only for hard braking. I think the medium is just gonna be fine. Convenient opening. The duration of okay, so convenient opening is basically when you're unlocking your car. If you hold your unlock button for more than 2.5 seconds as chosen here, your windows are gonna come down. So you can choose the delay. 2.5 seconds I think is fair enough. For your rear windows, you have another half-second delay. You just want to open your front windows by an inch to get some heat out of the car before you get in. This is the option for you. Sunroof, I don't have a sunroof. Then we have the same exact feature for closing the doors. So convenient closing. Whenever I hold the key I hold the lock button after I lock the car for 1.5 seconds, my windows are gonna go up. So it's the same exact feature, which is really convenient, and I love it. Okay, convenient closing delay, it's okay. Daytime running light mode is active. I would very much like to have my daytime running lights. The brightness 100%. Horn signal when locking the car with engine running. This always gets me. Every time I lock the car with the engine running, I just jump out of myself. So I'm gonna deactivate this. Headlight washers. My headlight washers are deactive, so I would like to activate that and get my car dirtier than it already is. Window lifter interruption when opening the door. Okay, so I don't want to interrupt my window opening when I'm opening the door. Unlock doors automatically, yes. Time until automatic lock, 2 minutes. I think it's fair enough. Cornering lights activation. I'm gonna turn this on because it's gonna turn on the fog light whenever I'm cornering, and I'm gonna see the side better because my car doesn't come with the adaptive headlights. Cornering light deactivation. Fog lights deactivation. No hazard warning signal after emergency braking. Okay, so your hazards flashing whenever you emergency brake. I think that's a good safety feature. Door handle lights when reverse park is engaged. Yeah, no. Let's activate that. Rain light sensor sensitivity. Fog lights off with high beam. I don't care about that, so I'm gonna have it as not active. Fog lights with parking lights. Steering wheel with paddles. So if your car doesn't come with paddle shifters and you install the retrofit and you have already done the wiring, this is where you need to come to activate your steering wheel with paddles. So you can assign your welcome lights, how you want your welcome lights to welcome you when you get in the car. So just light switch on auto or 2. So when you want your welcome lights, and you can have it however you want. So these are pretty standard. I'm gonna code this in. So as you can tell, this is coding in. And don't worry about any of the errors that come up. It's just restarting the ECU. They're gonna all go away after a few seconds. So as you can see, this is done. Head unit. Okay, so we're gonna go through head unit. So what I'm interested here is, so these are the head unit is pretty standard. Instrument cluster. So I want to have an M Performance logo here. So later on I'm gonna add this in, but no, I'm not gonna do it. Start logo is AG. I'm gonna do M Performance because my normal one right now is just says BMW, and I don't like it over here. And I'm gonna set this to 30 and then code it in. It's gonna freak the hell out. This coding successful. PDC. Once you're done coding, you can disconnect this from your car and turn off the car, put on the brake, and start the car. Okay, so I need to set my time and date. Okay, so when I get into the car now, I see this M Performance logo instead of BMW logo. And I can turn the car on and everything is, as you can see, very normal. So what do you think of this process?
Very exciting.
Yeah, these are not exciting stuff. So,
Can you tune your car in the same way?
okay, you can tune your car, but not with this. You can tune your car yourself using boot mode with a similar adapter, but connected to your
Sorry guys.
with a similar adapter but connected to your laptop. And one of the features that we coded in the car was when I lock the car with the engine running, it doesn't make that annoying horn sound anymore, so I'm very happy. Anyways, if this was your car and this was your canvas, what would you do? Because I'm planning to wrap the car. We're gonna do crazy things, and I have something in mind that you're either gonna really love it or you're gonna really hate it. Stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one.